Mango is a king of fruit. But why? Why only mango? Because it is known for its taste and a variety of recipes made from the fruit mango. Hey everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel and I'm your little YouTuber Gargi. Today, my mom is going to share with you all delicious, tangy, flavorful, spicy mangoचं raita. In Marathi, we call it as आंब्याचं raita. So now, what are we waiting for? Let's get going.
So let's start our recipe. Here I have taken 7 small mangoes. These are the ripe one. This is also known as a river mangoes or any tiny mangoes you can take for this recipe. I have washed this thoroughly and now let's have a glance over the ingredients. This is cumin seeds, turmeric powder. This is red chillies. Any red chilli you can take. This is salt to the taste. And this is fenugreek seeds. An extremely imperative part of the recipe is freshly grated coconut. So we have to grind all these ingredients together. I'm taking red chilies. Here I have taken Sankeshwari red chili, then fenugreek seeds, turmeric powder, cumin seeds, along with freshly grated coconut. Add little water and we have to make a paste of it. It should be a fine paste. Now we have to peel off the mangoes. First of all, let's take out the stem, and with the help of knife we have to take out skin of the mangoes like this, or by hand also you can do it. You can easily peel this. See, the mangoes are well ripe. This is the traditional recipe of Kokan in Maharashtra. We call it as आंब्याचं raita. In Goa, it is known as आंब्याचं सासव. Now we have taken out the skin and all mangoes are ready. Like this. It's very tasty recipe. You can have it with chapati, bhakri, or even with the rice. Now we have to squeeze one mango, 1 or 2 mango you can squeeze. So it will impart the perfect taste of mango to our gravy. Now let's add little water to this mango skin and just crush it little gently. So all the pulp we can take out of this, like this. The entire taste is in the skin also. So this is the pulp. Now I have taken a skillet and let's add oil. Here I have taken 4 to 5 tablespoons of oil, and let's temper this oil by mustard seeds. Add little mustard seeds so we can make out whether the oil is hot enough or not. Okay, it is hot enough. So let's add mustard seeds. Allow it to splutter. Then we are adding a pinch of Asafoetida. This is extremely significant, which will impart a beautiful taste and aroma also. Then we are adding garlic cloves and curry leaves. Here I have crushed the garlic cloves. Then add our mangoes along with 1 squeezed mango and just mix it well like this. Okay, now we have to add the paste which we have made earlier, and we have to give the washing of the vessel also, in the sense the mixer jar, and the pulp which we have taken out of the skin, that also we have added. Okay, and again this is the washing. Now mix this well. Now we are adding red chili powder. Red chili powder and salt. Salt as per the taste. And again, we supposed to add now jaggery. Jaggery as per your taste you can add. It depends upon the tanginess of the mangoes. You can adjust that as per your requirement and give it a mix. Now we have to cover this with the lid and allow it to simmer for 5 to 10 minutes till all the spices, all the flavors will get combined together. See, it has become thickened also. And it's now ready to serve. You can have it with rice, chapati, bhakri. You can garnish with this coriander leaves. Do try this recipe. And if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to our channel. And also share your feedback. Till the times, see you. Take care.